Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken to send Bitcoin step by step. Open Kraken and sign into your account. After signing in, confirm 2FA and that withdrawals are enabled on your profile. Navigate to Funding, select Bitcoin, and choose Withdraw. Double-check your BTC balance and wait for any pending deposits to clear so you can avoid failed or delayed transfers. Next, get the recipient address exactly as provided by the receiver and confirm it is a BTC address. Always verify the first and last 4 characters before pasting. If possible, use a saved label for frequent recipients to reduce manual errors. Remember that sending to the wrong chain or address is irreversible, so patience and double-checking will prevent costly mistakes and keep your funds secure. Now initiate the withdrawal by selecting Withdraw, pasting the recipient address, and choosing the appropriate network and fee priority. Enter the BTC amount or choose the USD equivalent if helpful, and review the network fee and estimated confirmation time. Confirm all details, complete 2FA and any email confirmations, and submit the withdrawal. Keep your transaction ID handy to track on a block explorer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.